Hello friends, welcome to the channel. A mother takes her child to the park. There she meets another lady and starts a friendly conversation. Hey, your daughter is very cute. Thank you. She loves coming to the park. My son also enjoys playing here every evening. That's nice. Children need outdoor activities. Otherwise, they spend too much time on the mobile phones. True. By the way, which school does your son go to? He studies at Study Public School. Oh, really? My niece studies there too. That's wonderful. Your daughter seems very friendly. Yes, she makes friends very quickly. That's a good quality. Do you come here daily? Mostly in the evenings. It feels refreshing. Same here. It's a nice break from household work. Exactly. Your daughter is very confident. Thank you. Do you help her with studies at home? Yes, I sit with her every evening for homework. Children learn better when parents support them. Absolutely. Even a little encouragement makes a big difference. We should talk to them calmly. Yes, communication is very important in parenting. By the way, do you teach your daughter English at home? A little bit. I try to speak simple English sentences daily. That's a great habit. Children learn very quickly when they hear English regularly. I also want to improve my English speaking. Same here. That's why I practice small conversations every day. Practice really helps build confidence. Definitely. We should practice together sometimes. That would be wonderful. It will motivate both of us. Exactly. Learning becomes easier with friends. I am glad we met today. Me too. It was really nice talking to you. My dear busy moms and housewives, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I shall come with more videos. Thank you.